In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for beginners. We'll log in, explore your workspace, and build a simple project with tasks so you can get productive right away. Start by heading to Asana's login page. For a quick sign-in, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on Home. This is your command center. It surfaces recent work, shortcuts, and helpful suggestions so you can pick up where you left off. Next, open My Tasks. This view shows everything assigned to you, making it the best place to plan your day. You can quickly see what's due soon and what needs attention. Then visit Inbox. Think of it as your notification hub. Updates, comments, and status changes appear here, so you never miss something important. From there, check out Portfolios. Portfolios group multiple projects to give leaders and teams a high-level snapshot of progress and health. Now hop into Goals. This is where you set and track measurable outcomes that connect your daily tasks to bigger objectives. After that, move to Projects to manage the actual containers for your work. Let's create a new project. Click New Project. If you'd like help shaping the structure, use Create with AI. It can suggest sections and tasks based on your description. You can also browse template categories to jumpstart common workflows. Explore Marketing for campaign planning and launches. Look at Operations and PMO for processes, approvals, and cross-team coordination. Check Productivity for personal or team efficiency templates. Tap More to see additional categories if you need them. When you're done browsing, return to For You to get personalized recommendations. For this walkthrough, choose Create Blank Project so we can build from scratch. Type a clear, descriptive project name, something your team will instantly recognize, then continue. When you're ready, select Create Project to open it. Inside the project, add your first task with Add Task. Keep task titles concise and action-oriented. Open the task and set an assignee so there's clear ownership. Unassigned tasks often stall. Add a due date to establish a timeline and help with prioritization. To capture extra details, use the plus button to add more fields. As an example, add Created On so you can see when work was initiated. Use the plus sign again to include any other fields your team relies on, like priority or effort. If you don't see what you need, click Show More to browse the full library of available fields and tailor the project to your process. And that's it. Log in, explore the core views, create a project, add tasks, assign owners and dates, and customize fields to fit your workflow.